Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to get the QR code in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you need it quickly, want to sign in on another device, or connect your mobile app, we will walk you through simple steps to generate your QR code easily. Let's get started. For example, if you have a meeting in Outlook and you want to turn the link into a QR code, let's use this meeting as an example. This meeting is scheduled for the 21st at 9:30. Let's select it and copy the meeting link. You can also do this with your account. If you have an Outlook link, you can turn it into a QR code the same way. To create the QR code, once you have copied the meeting link, just go to qrstuff.com. This site will convert your link into a QR code. All you need to do is click on URL and paste the link we copied. Once done, click on the small QR code preview. From here, you can add styles to your QR code, like a logo, shapes, colors, gradients, or artwork. When you are happy with the design, just continue with the setup. You can leave it as the default or rename the project, for example, calling it QR Meetings. When you are ready, just click Download. You can choose PNG or JPEG if you are a non-premium user. Premium users can access all formats. Once done, just click Done. As you can see, the file is now downloaded. We now have a QR code for the Outlook meeting. We can also do this for an Outlook account. Just copy the Outlook URL and paste it into QRStuff to generate a QR code. And that's it. We now know how to create QR codes for Outlook meetings for faster and easier access. It's a quick and simple way to connect across devices.